Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081.
Experience a new level of riding comfort with the Easy Cruise from Gears, the perfect addition to your motorcycle for effortless cruising. The Easy Cruise is designed to add cruise control to your motorcycle, eliminating wrist strain on those long rides. Imagine reaching your ideal speed, setting it with the Easy Cruise, and then simply enjoying the ride. It's a game changer for touring and long-distance journeys.
To use it, you're going to pull back on your throttle, push your cruise control forward, and sit. Now that's stuck at what you have it set at. To remove, there's a little tab here, you push it back up, and now it's free-flowing again.
The Easy Cruise is made of Nylatron thermoplastic resin, a material known for being lightweight, durable, and resistant to temperature fluctuations. This choice sets it apart from cheaper, brittle plastic alternatives. The Easy Cruise fits all motorcycle handlebars, from touring to sport bikes, including Harley-Davidson, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, and more. It requires no tools and installs in just seconds. Safety is a top priority. The Easy Cruise comes with an adjustment dial to modify the tension on your grip, and the included rubber ring creates additional friction, preventing accidental speed changes. Unique to Gears, the Easy Cruise is the only throttle lock that includes 2 rubber rings, allowing you to easily transfer it from one motorcycle to another without sliding the ring on and off the handlebar.
Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.